everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk, where you'll get most valuable information always. So today in this video I'm going to discuss most demanding SAP modules in the IT industry. So many of you might have doubt which SAP module should I choose and which SAP module is most demanding in the market and which if I choose my career growth will be good with decent salary. Also, which SAP module will be best for getting high packages and whenever you have a switch, you will get like 100 to 200 percentage hike if I choose which SAP module. So all these questions many of you might be having. So today in this session, I'm going to cover all these details and give you a clear clarity on which module to choose, which is the best option to choose in the SAP module. So before that, if you're watching our channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe, and also if you have liked this video, make sure you like this video. So with no delay, let's get into the topic. I am also going to discuss does SAP module has future or not. So now coming to the topic, which SAP module is most demanded in the IT market? So I'm going to categorize SAP modules in the two parts. The first one would be the technical consultant and the second one would be the functional consultant. So what I would say is, if you are from an engineering or computer science background, then it is better to choose these SAP modules. That is, I would like to tell you, you have to choose technical consultant. What are the modules which comes under technical consultant? So number one is SAP ABAP. For this SAP ABAP, you have to learn any one of the programming language. So it's better if you choose Java to learn. Because why would I recommend Java is, if you learn Java, you can choose your career path as SAP ABAP or in any other modules, like you can go as a Java developer, or you can choose Hadoop as your career path, or you can choose Salesforce also as your career path. So knowing one programming language, you can choose 4 multiple types of career path. So I would tell you to learn Java as one programming language if you wanted to choose SAP ABAP. So along with one programming language, if you wanted to choose SAP ABAP as your career path, then you should have knowledge on SAP UI5 as well. That is SAP User Interface 5. Basically, this SAP UI5 is used for developing front-end applications. So it means you have to learn HTML, CSS and little bit of Bootstrap, these things. Also, additionally, you should know about REST and SOAP based web services. So if you know all this technical skills or having knowledge on this, then easily you can become a SAP ABAP developer. This is the most demanding SAP module in IT industry nowadays. That is nothing but SAP ABAP. You will get high package if you choose this module. So in case if you are not interested in SAP ABAP, then you can choose SAP HYBRIS module. This is also one of the most demanding SAP module nowadays in IT industry. Basically, this SAP HYBRIS is used for developing e-commerce applications. And another most important and most demanding SAP module is SAP HANA or SAP Cloud. If you choose this SAP HANA, you can become an SAP administrator, SAP HANA developer or SAP HANA architect as well. In case if you are non-technical background, that is if you are an MBA, BCom or EEE or mechanical or civil engineer, these people can choose SAP core modules. These SAP core modules are very huge demand in the IT market. So people who belongs to business background, it is optable to choose SAP core modules. So I will list out what are the SAP core modules. Those are SAP FICO, SAP MM and SAP SD. Along with these three, we have one more core module, that is SAP HCM, Human Capital Management. So this SAP HCM is used by most of the IT companies mandatorily. So if you see as per job demand, this job opening is very huge in the market. For all of them who are business background, it is recommended to choose either one of this core module. So not only business people, if computer background or engineering background people who are interested in these modules, they can also opt their career path in one of the core modules, core SAP modules. So I'm going to share one more important and very demanding SAP module, that is SAP Basis, or it is called as SAP Security System as well. This is also one of the most important SAP modules. So for mobile applications, we have one more very important and demanding SAP module, that is SAP Flori. So if you are interested mostly into mobile applications or Android applications development, then you can choose this SAP Flori. Basically this is mostly used for developing the mobile type of applications. Last but not least, I would like to tell one more very important and most demanding SAP module in the market, SAP Cloud Analytics. So this module is used for reporting and analyzing the products. So what I would suggest is, if you are from technical background and you have some programming knowledge, or you are interested in any programming language, then I would suggest you to choose one of the most popular and demanding and high paid module, that is SAP ABAP. Because if you choose SAP ABAP, you will be a core developer, like a SAB ABAP developer who belongs completely to a technical end. So here, if you after few days, if you are not interested to continue in SAP ABAP, you can switch your career into any other modules, or you can completely switch your career. So you have a programming language, you have some experience on a programming languages, then you can you can change your career as a Hadoop or Java or any other developers also. So if you are not interested in a technical background, and if you are non-technical person and a business side person, then you can choose the other modules as your career path. So guys, I hope you have got some information like how many modules are there and what are functional and non-functional modules in SAP, and also how do you choose your career if you are a technical person or non-technical person. I think these details are given in this video, so you can choose based on your interest. And if you have liked this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel without fail, and also hit a like button for this video if you have liked it. So we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until then, bye.